What is the right way to treat Python argparse.Namespace as a dictionary? If I want to use the results of argparse.argumentParser, which is a namespace object, with a method that expects a dictionary or mapping-like object, see collections.mapping, what is the right way to do it? Is it proper to reach into an object and use its _dict_ property? I would think the answer is no. _dict_ smells like a convention for implementation, but not for an interface, the way _getAttribute_ or _setAttr_ or _ contains _ seem to be.
You can access the namespace's dictionary with vars. You can modify the dictionary directly if you wish. Yes, it is okay to access the _dict_ attribute. It is a well-defined, tested, and guaranteed behavior.
Straight from the horse's mouth. If you prefer to have dict-like view of the attributes, you can use the standard Python idiom, vars. The Python Standard Library, 16.4.4.6. The namespace object.
Note that if you're trying to treat args as a dict to find out if it has an attribute, you can just do the following instead. More info on hasattr and similar answer to another question. Also, you can get the value if you prefer using the similar getAttr method.
Is it proper to reach into an object and use its dict property? In general, I would say no. However, namespace has struck me as over-engineered, possibly from when classes couldn't inherit from built-in types. On the other hand, namespace does present a task-oriented approach to argparse, and I can't think of a situation that would call for grabbing the _dict_, but the limits of my imagination are not the same as yours.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.